So I've been trying to paint some clouds, so I thought, oh, there's some of the clouds I tried to paint. None of them really came out too great. So I was painting a blue background using Prussian blue and ultramarine blue and a little bit of white, and trying to establish a background to paint some fresh clouds. Then I decide I don't like to paint from photographs, so let me just try to paint from a photograph. And so I got this recent photograph from the cute little granddaughter, and I was trying to use very few colors to start, and so I was using burnt umber, yellow ochre, and white, and so I was just trying to do the halfway the right way to do an oil painting. And you start with dark shapes and basic shapes like that, so I started with the medium tones and then added some darks, and then I was floundering around trying to do the body area, and the paints were pretty muddy, but I just continued on with confidence that it probably won't come out that great, but still trying to establish proportions. I got pretty lucky with the proportions. They're half decent, and so I didn't have to draw it first, thank God. And so then trying to establish various planes on the face, and not really going great, but not too bad either. And so just sort of booping around and trying to advance, get some paint on the whole canvas, among other things, and trying to establish a bit of depth or form, or added some red late in the game. And here's about where I'm at. I guess it's coming along fine, and looking forward to adding details and having it pop and fly off the canvas with a 3D excitement, I guess. So stop back later for more eventualities on this thrilling project.